Hey friends, welcome to the vlog. It is December 17th and that means, is there 8 days? There's 8 days until Christmas. It is currently 3 p.m. and that's because I've been gone all morning. I usually would have gotten up and filmed an intro like before I left, but I was running late today and I was going to a Christmas family gathering with my grandma. As I was running out the door, I grabbed some yarn for the car ride because it takes about 45 minutes to get there and back. So yeah, I went, I did, I came back, I'm here. This is what I made in the car. So I finished this large lily top that I started the other day, and all I had to do was like finish up the strap. So I had one strap done. I went all the way down up and through the center, and I had the second strap like with one chain done. So all I had to do is slip stitch back down this chain and then finish the top to here. So this was a quick and easy project to get finished. That's done. And then the only yarn that I brought with me was this cone because like I said, I was running late. So after that, I made the same top, but I made it in a size medium. So I got a medium done, yes. And then, of course, I just continued and I started making a small, but I didn't finish the small. I just got the cups done and I was just starting on the bottom row whenever I got home. So that is all I've got done today. Now I'm feeling quite tired, a little sleepy. We had food, there were gifts. I didn't get anything because I forgot to bring a present for the white elephant exchange. So now I need to, first I'm gonna put away these two tops that I finished in the car, and then I'm gonna figure out what to do from there. Alright, so I've decided that we're gonna make the ear warmer for my sister right now. So I need to get out my Centro and our yarn. Do you have to be like that? Do you? Oh yeah. My Centro has yellow on it. There is yellow on here. Well, okay, we're gonna finish this one. I was making Chiefs headbands, so they were yellow and red, so I'm just gonna do like the other half of this red and then we can make the black and gray split ear warmer. Get this done. Done. Fold in the cheese. Fold in the cheese. Finished that. Now we'll move on to making my sister's split gray and black ear warmer. Okay, here it is. Give it a stretch. I am going to sew it up, but I believe we might be going to the gym today. So, yeah. Persona! We're home from the gym. I walked, that's it. I'm gonna finish sewing up this ear warmer and then I'm probably gonna eat something. I don't know what yet though.
Way up in the mountains was the small.
And we're gonna watch Shangri-La Frontier. It's finished. Look at it. Wow. What do you think? Is it nice? Yeah. Anyway, here it is. All done up. I need to put a label on it, but those are in my room. And I am currently not in my room, so it's just, it doesn't work out, you know? But anyway, I am hungry. I'm feeling currently very sleepy. My head hurts and I want to go to bed. But it's not even 7 o'clock yet, so I'm gonna go make some food now. Okay, so I am gonna put a tag on this now that I'm back in my office. I keep my tags, I used to keep them in a box, like the box that they came in, but I found this in my room while I was searching everywhere for my scrunchie tags yesterday, and it was empty. Look at it. It's a gum box. So I'm keeping my little tags in here. Dee, 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 dee. And it's gonna get a gray tag, obviously, and then the gray tag goes on the black side. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Ta-da! Now it's perfect and it's ready for my sister. So that's great. We have another Christmas present done. I'm gonna go ahead and cross that off my list. Okay. So my sister asked me to make like a little tiny cardigan for my niece. And my niece is 1. She's not 1 yet, but she's gonna be 1 very soon. So I'm trying to decide what yarn to use, because like I found this yesterday and it's like real cute. It's pretty much white, maybe slightly pink cotton with rainbow tinsel running through it. I don't think the light is doing it justice, really. No, I think it's kind of pink. But I'm also like, is this enough yarn to make a little tiny cardigan? But then I'm also like, it's a little tiny cardigan, so is it enough? Is it not enough? Also, what pattern am I doing? Okay, let me just look and see if I can find a pattern. Okay, so after looking for a bit, I decided to change from a cardigan to a sweater because, I don't know, a lot of the cardigans had like buttons down the front. I don't want to deal with that, honestly. And then I found a free pattern from Yarnspiration, so I'm just gonna try it out, I guess. And I think I'm going to make it for 12 months because, like I said, she's not 1 yet. Anyway, 3.5. Okay, I might have to change my mind. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I can actually use a 4, so. And I'm gonna try to use these. But if we run out, then that will be a tragedy and I'll just start over. Or, yeah, I guess I'll start over with different yarn. Okay, let's make. It's looking like a very basic raglan, so yeah. I decided to turn in between every row, and well, I don't actually know if I'm supposed to be turning between every row, but the last time I made a raglan, I did not turn between rows, and the raglan lines were like super skewed and twisty. And I don't actually know if it's because I wasn't turning my work or if it was because it was made with a half double crochet stitch. Like, I don't even know. And this one is in double crochet. But I'm just turning my work to be safe. The pattern doesn't say whether to turn your work. I mean, it might. I guess I haven't like read through every single thing. But like at the end of the rows, it doesn't say anything. So I'm just turning my work and hoping for the best. I will absolutely not finish this tonight. It is getting late and my head hurts. So I'm just gonna work on this until, bro, really? I'm just gonna work on this until I feel an immense urge to go to sleep, which honestly might be soon. Check it out. I have finished what would be considered the yoke, I believe. Look how cute, tidy it is. Okay. Now I'm supposed to divide the sleeves and the body. So I think I'll go ahead and do that. It is 10:20 though, so it's getting kind of late. Oh, also I was making the size 12 months, but I decided to make the 18 month instead, so. I was just looking at like the stitch counts and I was like, there's really not a big difference. So here's that. And I also didn't test my gauge, so I'm just gonna go bigger. But this is how much yarn I've used. There's still quite a bit left on here, and then I have the second ball, so. Look, it's so, wow, okay. Look at it. Oh my god. Wait. Look. It's gonna fit. This is gonna fit, right? It's a little stretchy. Look. Okay, I guess I'm gonna like just crochet down the body. And then once I get all the way down the body, probably reattach on the armholes and make the sleeves, but look at it. Look at it. It's just, it makes me giggle. It's so tiny. So tiny and so cute.
In the video, she forgot to edit it out. Imagine what else she forgot to edit out.
Alright, so it's 11 o'clock now, but this is where I'm gonna end the sweater making for today. This is the progress on it. It's very little. It's very little. So yeah, I'm gonna stop. I think, I don't know, I feel like it's going by quickly. I thought it would take forever because I was using, you know, a 3-weight yarn and a 4mm hook, but it's actually going by a lot faster than I thought it would, so that's good. I also did the first couple rows a few times because first of all I chained 60 because that's what it says to do, and then I was like, there's no way that this is like big enough or stretchy enough to go over a head, you know, so I undid the chain and then I did a foundation single crochet, so that's like much stretchier. And then after I did the foundation single crochet, I did like 3 rows, and then I was like, you know what, I'm actually gonna make the next size up, so I had to take out all of the rows and then go back and add more to the foundation single crochet, and then I started over, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna turn my rows. So I started over again. But you know, now I'm like, I'm flying through it. So if it doesn't fit her, I'm gonna cry and stab my eyes out and just, you know, wallow on the floor. But I need to go to sleep because I'm tired. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you just for being here and for watching all of my Vlogmas videos. We will be continuing all the way until Christmas, so I will see you guys in the next week. Bye!